Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Chacho Jones, Casio CB Club. I wanted to show you real quick how to deal with these stuck pins. Okay, so it's clogged, and what happened is this distillate has become congealed pretty much, so we got to melt it, and that's why I got my hair dryer. Well, first what I do is I'll push this button twice. Alright, now that activates the preheat mode. And then I'll just add the hair dryer to it. Try and get that heat up real good. Get that melted. I can see it working now. And I'll do this for about 2.5 minutes or so. I'll let that go through a couple times. Try to get all the angles. Push it again, turn it back on preheat. Try to melt this evenly. Alright, keep going, keep melting it. Going well, everything's going really good, it looks good. Oh yeah, I can see it bubbling there. Oh yeah, it's melting really good. If you come in, look, you can see the difference. You can see it melted. You can see that it melted really good. And then I'll just be careful. That tip is hot after the after the hair dryer. But that's the heat. Oh wow. That's the easiest way to unclog one of these. I know it's a pain. It's an annoyance, but because of this oil is 98 to 99% pure, it's very thick. All right, guys, that was real quick. Peace.